Okay, so tonight you guys are going to be doing 7.3 and 7.4 because I think that they are easy enough that you can do them together instead of separate. It is adding and subtracting using models. So the objective of this is to be able to shade models in to reflect the addition or subtraction problem, and to be able to use those models in case for some reason you don't know addition and subtraction. So our first problem is Miss Fernley made a loaf of bread. She used 1/8 of the bread for a snack and 5/8 of the bread for lunch. How much did she use for a snack and lunch? That tells me to add. Okay, so here I have a model. So this is going to be a whole, right? And this should be 1/8, 2/8, 3/8. Let's put them down here. So it says that she made, she used 1/8 of the bread for a snack. So we're going to color in 1/8. And then she used 5/8 of the bread for lunch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if for some reason I didn't know 5 plus 1 equals 6, I could actually just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6/8 is my answer. Okay? Easy peasy. Let's try another addition. Dean needs 2 strips of wood to make masts for a miniature sailboat. One mast will be 3 6-foot long. The other mast will be 2 6-foot long. He has a strip of wood that is 4 6-foot long. Is this strip of wood long enough to make both masts? Both masts. So this is 1 6, 2 6, 3 6, 4 6, 5 6, and 1 whole. All right, so it tells us 3 6, so let's color in 3 of these. And then it also says 2 6. So does he have enough? Yes, he actually has 1 extra. Okay, so not so much that you need to be able to add these together, which you can. 3 plus 2 equals 5, and 5 is less than 6, so he would have enough. But if you had 7, let's say it was 3 plus 4 equals 7, he wouldn't have enough, right? Because 7 is bigger than 6. All right, here's subtraction. A rover needs to travel 5/8 of a mile to reach its destination on Mars. It has already traveled 3/8 of a mile. How much further does a rover need to go? So we're doing 8s. This is 0, 1/8. So it's kind of like drawing the path that the rover might need to go on, right? Number line, kind of like a path. Oh my goodness, that's horrible. All right, so the rover goes 5/8. Okay, so it goes 5/8. Oh, no, that's how far it needs to travel, is 5/8. All right, so it has already traveled 3/8. 1, 2, 3. All right, so this is how far it needs to go. This is what it's already done. So how many are left out of that? You have 1, 2. So if you did the math, 5 minus 3 equals 2. Okay, so it's just another way of actually visually seeing the subtraction or the addition problem. All right, last one. Terry ordered a small pizza, which was cut into 6 equal slices. She ate 2 6 of the pizza and put the rest away for later. How much of the pizza did she put away? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and she ate 2 of them and put the rest away for later. How much of the pizza did she put away for later? Okay, so I can visually see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I can take 6 minus 2 equals 4, right? Because 1 whole pizza is 6/6. All right, you can also use fraction strips. So this is 1 whole. So this would be, let's erase this. This would be 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. So just different ways of visualizing the math problem. Okay. So if I have a whole, she eats 2 of them. I can count how many empty boxes there are left. Okay. So pretty easy. Just know that you have to shade in equation problems. All right, so for your homework, find the sum. You can use the fraction strips to help. All right, so for, I don't even know that I should go over any of these with you because you should be able to do them. But let's look at here. 2 plus 1 is 3. The denominator stays the same at 4. Let's look at number 7. 3 plus 9 is 12. The denominator stays the same at 12. Or you can write the 1. All right, you guys should be able to do that. You can use fraction strips if necessary, but I really hope that that's not something that you would need for this. The next one is just subtraction. Again, here is number 4. We've got 7 minus 1 is 6. The denominator stays the same. 3 minus 1 is 2. The denominator stays the same. You can get into the habit of simplifying because 2/4 is the same as 1/2 simplified. Okay, so you might want to get into the habit of starting to simplify because that's something that's going to be required of you. All right, your WSQ is just to finish the practice book pages, side A, which is these sides. Okay, so don't worry about the back sides of the homework. Just finish the front sides of the 2 pages, and we'll go over everything on Monday. You guys have a good rest of your weekend.